28 things men wish women knew about them. It's hard to get over after a breakup. We don't really have emotional support system in place to rely on. And lot of men have small social circles. So losing someone means a lot to us. Just because we don't always know the right thing to say doesn't mean we don't care. We are not great with hints. Communication is the king. We actually really want to be complimented too. A 60-year-old woman complimented me 5 years ago, and it still makes me feel good. We just show how little we get compliments. I really like to hang out with my friends because I love them, not because I don't want to spend time with you. Men have emotions, and there are points where we need to cry. Tears happen not just from pain but also from joy. We like random gifts, random hugs, and random signs of affection and love. Sometimes just a cup of coffee in my favorite mug is enough to convince me it's going to be a good day. When we say we are thinking about nothing, the majority of the time we really are thinking of nothing. Or maybe we are thinking of ridiculous made up scenarios that sound stupid when said out loud. If you don't want to hear the truth about something, don't ask me to tell you the truth, because I'm going to tell you the truth every time. Just because I joke about my emotions doesn't mean I don't want them to be taken seriously. Telling someone exactly what you want is the best way to get that thing. That goes for men too. Men love being the target of romantic gesture. Many men never have been. Just because I am not talking doesn't mean I am not enjoying my time with you. When we tell women that we don't know how we feel about something, it is usually true, and we genuinely don't understand how we are supposed to feel. I personally wasn't allowed to express emotions growing up, and it turned into me not being able to understand my emotions. We get angry, we get depressed, we get sad, we want to cry and be held at times too. Being told by one of my exes that real men doesn't cry when I was at the really low point only further pushed me down that dark hole. Please don't do that. That shit hurts and sticks with us. Tell us more about what you like in bed. Sometimes men just don't get hard. It's not you. It's many things from lifestyle and diet to stress and anxiety. Please try not to make it as a sign of lack of attraction or affection. Sometimes it just happens. When it comes to first dates, men are just as nervous as women. Playing hard to get does not work at all. If I ask you what is wrong, it is because I honestly don't know. Save us both an hour and just tell me what is wrong. Sometimes we just need our alone time and space to do guy things. It does not mean that we are tired of you or dislike you. Our feelings get hurt, but we were trained to suck it up and deal with it. Because of that, we have a tendency to be really bad at communicating our feelings. We don't know where we want to eat either. Please ask us out. It makes us feel wanted and loved. We don't really care about makeup and just want you to be healthy and happy. Any guy who wouldn't be attracted to you without your makeup on is a shitty person. It's okay to make the first move. Guys can be shy too. Come, talk to me instead of staring at me. A boner doesn't always mean I am horny. Sometimes it just pops up out of nowhere.